you alright, baby?
Yes, but...
Are you alright, baby?
I would want you to open up to me.
What?
My love. Are you happy with me?
Of course.
Are you sure? Or are there things I'm doing you're not very much comfortable with? Listen, my love. The reason I'm asking is because I want your position as my man and husband respected and regarded always. I don't want you to feel neglected for a second. I'm not perfect, my love. Please, if you think I'm not going the right path, you can advise me. If you have any ideas on how to move this family and everything about us forward, my love, you can advise me. I want the best for us. I'm not perfect. I could be making mistakes without knowing it. Okay?
Baby.
I want us to be on the same page.
I understand you. I absolutely have no problem with you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But for some reasons, I feel I'm not doing some things the right way.
How?
Okay, my love, like this afternoon, my sister Chisom said I should have given you the properties document. I mean the ones I just bought in the village, instead of handing them over to my stepbrother.
But I don't have any problem with your stepbrother buying a land for you. But you need to have the custody of the documents.
So you're fine?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you more. But I must confess to you, you are such a wonderful girl. I've never seen such a person like you in a polygamous family these days. Believe me.
But you know I'm a nice woman. Hence you popped the question. And I said, yes.
Stop! Baby, stop! Oh my God. Baby, you've started doing this.
Come now. See, I have fallen in love with you. I died and I resurrected all in love for you. That place you saw me sitting, I was actually falling in love there for you. I fell down there and I couldn't rise up again.
Wonder shall never end.
Very correct.
Ndoka.
My love. Yes.
Shut up! Onny. Close up your smelling mouth. I am not your love.
Okay, fine. If you are not my love, then you are my brain. And your name is Uchechi. Yes, my brain.
Can you just shut up? Just shut up. You talk too much. I am not your love. I am not your brain. I am not your Uchechi. I am simply Uchechi. My mother gave me Uchechi. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone now.
I cannot leave you alone. I cannot leave you alone. Is it not obvious that I've even fallen in love with you to the extent that I'm even fighting for your love? Did you not see the fight the other day? I fought.
If you like, fight from now till Jericho. I will not love you. Wait, talking about fighting. I knew Ebuka beat you black and blue. He tortured you. He beat you up thoroughly. He wanted you to stay away from me. He instructed you to stay away from me, yet you will not leave me. You will not allow me to drink water and keep cup in this village. What did I do to you, Ebuka?
Who told you that Ebuka beat me black and blue? Who told you that lie? Who constructed that lie? Who is Ebuka? Did you not see the difference? Ebuka and Ndoka. He is just big like Ebuka. And I am Ndoka. I have life in me. I actually threw him down first. I wanted to add it the second time, but he took me unawares. That is why it was drawn 1-1. Did you not watch it? Oh, it wasn't recorded anyway. So, you see, it is because I love you. That is why I had to fight for the love I have for you. Next time, he will not be lucky. So, I had to beat him up. It was 1-1. You don't even watch football. So, let me tell you, the matter now is that I love you so much. And that is why I fought like a wounded lion.
Shut up!
That is draw.
Shut up. Uchike no knowing. Hey! You talk too much. I don't love you. I will not love you. Not now, not ever. You irritates me. Nduka, you are smelling. Just whenever I see you, I feel like
That is how you are going to give birth when we have children. That's how they give birth. See it now. It shows you are pregnant for me with love.
Nduka,
Let me tell you something. My love for you is 1 million. Love times love is equal to 1 million times of love.
Hey!
The love I have for you is 100%. I am going to magnanimously share it into 2. Take 50% and I take 50%. That is making it 100% love for you. For you, my love.
Chim.
Give me a chance.
Chim. This boy, you are a fool.
I am fully in love with you. My life is full of love for you. I am a fool. In fact, everything about me is empty. The only thing that is filled in me now is my love for you.
Ndoka, do you want me to run away from this village for you? Should I leave this village for you?
Did you not come to church on Sunday? Were you not there when the preacher talked about follow demon? Let me tell you, my love for you is turning into a demon. If you don't give me a chance and accept what I have given to you, which is my whole heart of love, let me tell you, wherever you go, I will follow you. Wherever you go, I will follow you.
Okay.
Demon follow people to India, let alone here.
It's okay. You know what?
Yes.
Just sit down first.
Ndoka. Sorry, do it again.
Don't sit down, Ndoka. Just sit down. Just sit down. Don't do. Oh, yeah, wait now. Don't.
Yes, call easy for me. All right.
You called
Easy.
me?
Yes. That's good news.
Thank you.
I finally approved your leave.
Hey! God bless you, man.
No, you don't have to thank me. I should be the one thanking you for your understanding and immense support.
Thank you.
As I promised, I'll credit you.
Madam.
Don't mention. It's nothing.
My God will bless you.
Bless you more. Bless you more. It's okay, you can go.
Hey, Madam. God bless you. Let me go and prepare.
Such a good guy. Hi, baby. I've missed you. It's going on well, but it's been extremely hectic. Have you had something to eat?
How can our father collect that kind of money and use this house as a collateral? Who does that? Are you people reasoning what I'm reasoning? I
don't understand. What are you talking about?
What I'm saying is that Mama Amaka has confused our father. That woman is too smart. Why am I what your sense?
Keep quiet. You don't know what you're talking about.
Hey.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Yes.
I don't know what I'm saying. Very soon, they will come and chase us out of this house. I bet you point now. That time the children of late Chief Solomon won her will not be homeless. I want to know whatever you know. What a shame. Why are you fele? Why are you fele?
Hey. Look at it. If my late brother had listened to me, he wouldn't have got himself involved in all this. Now look at it. What are we going to do right now? What are we going to do? Because this is a stress slap on our faces. Huh? It should be a slap on our faces. How do we save our face from this shame? This imminent shame?
150 million naira.
Okay,
150 million.
Okay, we have had it.
But the question is, where did he invest this money?
You're asking.
What did he use it? What did he use it for?
Uncle, you're asking. Didn't you see the house he built for Mama Maka? Only food all over here? Which one did he build for our mother? Can't call Lulu name. What I'm saying is that Amaka will pay that money. Oh. Amaka will pay that money. We are not paying shishi. And you see this house, nobody will touch it.
Oh, God, shut up. Shut up. If you don't know what to say, just...
Why will he shut up? Okudili, why in the world will he shut up when he's making a valid point? When this is glaring you in your face, 150 million, you see I shut up. At a time like this, that you should be reasonable, use your brain for once. And I say shut up.
Uncle, if a woman that I'm married for myself is talking to me like this.
I saw her. Calm down.
I'm not paying for 1 million. You saw 1 million and you think this is the time for you to claim supremacy.
1 million or 150 million.
Chelunu, this is not the right time to begin to battle words or begin to quarrel, big quarrels from amongst you. Eh? It's a time to reason and know how we can come out of this. Well, obviously, Okudili, you are the first son of this family. And I know you must have a way to wriggle yourself out of this. But what still baffles me is why my brother would use this particular house as a collateral. Eh? Who will call it? Who will call it? Eh? How I wish he can come back and answer for himself. That. Hey.
So, Chalogodo, the mansion.
The mansion now?
Yeah, because you connected the dots. 150 million equals to mansion. It is such a loud. Yeah.
Okay, get out of the
I will get Okaraka. There's no two ways about it. In a separate loud.
Canadian loud. Canadian loud. I say never. Never will I allow that to happen. Over my dead body will I allow you to do that. If you try it, I'll burn down this house.
Shut up, my friend. What is your problem? Who are you shouting on? Eh? I'm your elder brother, and I will do what I said. Let me see who will counter it. Let me just see who will counter what I said.
You are the one that should shut up. What kind of a man are you? What are the elements that comprise of Okudili like this? You have to explain to us. What are you made of? Is it poo-poo? Kayamalo? What is in this bread? We want to know.
Okay, you think you can intimidate me? You think you can intimidate me with elder brother? See, elder brother thing will not work in this one, no? It will not work, oh. If you try it, you want to get begging for money. You want to get begging for money. If you try it, if you dare me, if you dare me, no, try me, you will see. If you dare me, let me go and see uncle. If I come back and you dare it, uncle, if you dare it, you kill him. I want to give him a kill. Just watch, yeah? Nonsense.
Ebuka, come back. This fire that is burning within you is the required fire that is supposed to match him squarely and make him to man up.
We are talking.
You need to man up.
I am man up.
I'm
man up because I'm doing the right thing.
You will not go and beg how? Don't you dare go to beg her. Never you try it. You hear me? Just do the needful and everybody will be fine.
I will beg her.
You will?
Yes. I will never do the things you and Ebuka wants to do.
No problem.
I will not do it. If you won't ignite fire to this house, I will not.
Wait.
If you won't burn this house down, I will not.
You will not?
Yes.
Don't worry. I will give you that and you will collect left and right. I will make sure that all that stupid communication that you have going with her back and forth, I will cut it off. I will seize it. By the time I seize your phone, you get shimmy around. Except me, what is in your brain? Is it kata or poo-poo?
Talk to me.
Why are you?
Husband?
Why? Which husband?
I'm your husband.
When I have a husband, I will know. For now, you are just a she-man. A she-make.
Ebuka. How many times did I call you? Ebuka, this is no small boy's play. It is not children's business. This is looking for a full man's attention. It requires a full man to stand and make statement concerning this matter. But I am disappointed in your brother. Look at how Okudele chickened out of this contest. He went as far as wanting to seek financial assistance from Amaka.
You see? Mbonk,
Hey!
Ifuge, they have used his brain. Okudele, my elder brother, they have used his brain, I'm sure. Okudele behaved like Sokoto Gudeli, Onyeli Neli, Uncle Lichawo. Our father used that money on Amaka's mother. So Amaka should be the one to pay that debt, not us. And
Okudele has become a Murutum perfume. He has become a Murutum perfume. Eh? How can he fall before a male woman? Wait. I'm not even talking about that one now. I have an idea. It takes a soldier to know a soldier. And you know that. Do you have the heart?
Uncle, I know you can say mom now.
Come here, woman. Trust me, your uncle.
Yes, now I'm ready.
You are ready?
Uncle, I'm ready. You can say, by now you should know me now. You can say, mom, a big machine pass. You can say, mom,
Caterpillar
what
pass.
be?
Caterpillar pass, not be machine. It don't pass machine pass, not caterpillar pass. Now listen to me. If you can do it, then you must have ended it once and for all.
Uncle, I can do
it. Naya, my brother is supposed to give birth to lions, not to cows, goats that feed on grass. Like Ebuka. Go ahead and claim it. Claim the mandate. Odogu, Ngwana, Nga. What is it, boy?
I see no wrong in your suggestion, my son.
Uncle, I must tell you this. You will live long.
You see, Amaka, your stepsister, can upset that debt. She is more capable of doing that. My son, all you need is your wife and your brother's support.
Uncle, you see, that's my problem. Ebuka and my wife are my problem. I've tried so hard to make them understand and see the reason why we should unite as one family. But they are fighting so much against it. I don't know why. I don't know what is wrong with them.
And you see, my son, the water has not gotten to the bridge. The point is how to pay the debt. Where the money is coming from does not matter. Because the debt is for both of you.
It's okay, I will do as you said. I will do just that.
Just do exactly what you said. I am solidly behind you.
It's okay, Uncle. Let me start going.
Alright, it's a bad road. In the work,
My son.
Yes, Uncle.
You know, I always believe in you.
Thank you, Uncle.
I love your courage. I like it. With the way things are now, a woman that cannot stand straight and urinate has succeeded in intimidating your brother, Okudele. But I will not want my late brother's name to be disgraced further. Honestly, I wouldn't like it. You must do the needful. Do what you ought to do so that you save the image of your father. I'm even happy that somebody like you is there to defend his name. All this Agbobi is not for nothing. The matter is even simple now because Uju is seriously talking about this. So you have a strong backbone now. Yes. Join forces with her and secure victory.
Okay, Uncle. I really appreciate all that you have been doing for us, Uncle. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Amaka! Amaka! A male woman that cannot stand straight and urinate has succeeded in intimidating the first son of my late brother. This is sacrilege. But I bet one thing concerning her. If a child chooses to dance surrogate, she must through tears and sorrows learn that a surrogate is a dance meant only for the spirits. Amaka will surely smell the wrath of my ancestors if she goes further to drag those things with you. No problem. No problem. You must do the needful now. Go ahead and do the needful.
Yes, Uncle. The problem we have is Brother Okude that is encouraging her to be doing all these things that she has been doing. But no problem, Uncle. I assure you it will stop.
Look at this matter. All this land from here to there, she bought all of them. She bought them all. Naya, she left her husband's side and came to our community to buy all the lands because she has the money. And Okude is here playing a second fiddle. What kind of a person is he supposed to be? Is he supposed to be called a weakling? Was my late brother a weakling? No! My late brother was a lion. And there's no way he could have given birth to cowards. The sons of lions do not feed on grass. They must stand strong. Take their possession. Go ahead and do what you must do. Do it quickly to recover the situation.
Okay, Uncle.
Please.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you very
I
much.
back on you.
Be careful who you trust.
Somebody help! Help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Please don't kill me! Please! Please don't kill me! I beg you! No, don't kill me! Please! Oh! Izzy, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes.
No. Are you not eating your food?
I'm eating, I'm fine.
Don't tell me that. Okay. What's bothering you?
Today in my office, I had that bad dream again. My love, I was shot. I don't know. I don't really know what is going on in my life. Why am I having such dream?
It's okay. I think it's time for us to go for vacation. Okay?
God. Who have I offended? Who is doing this to me?
Baby, it's okay. You'll be fine. But right now, you need to move with security.
Monkey Uche, Moto Kano, Baskolo Madoka, Busunaka, Uno Ebere,
Nawani Obi. Monkey Uche. Motokano. Vasco. Ta! Where are you going?
Brother, I'm going to work.
You're going to which work? I remember that Mama said that you should stop going to that place. So I don't know the reason you are still going there. Now, get inside.
Brother.
You're going to work by after 6.
Yes, I have night shift. And Mama cannot stop me from going to work. Oh. Eh?
Ah,
yes, Mama cannot stop me and you cannot stop me.
I am stopping you already. You are not going anywhere. Listen, it is better for you to go right back inside now or you will see the other side of me. What are you doing with money?
Brother.
Huh?
What I'm doing with money?
Yes!
Brother, no! Are you not happy that I'm making money? At least you're enjoying from it? Yes! Brother, see my going to that hotel is for a reason. Ask me.
You're going to the hotel?
For a reason!
It's for a reason?
Yes!
You're not going to any hotel. You are going there to see your boyfriend and then you have a night shift and tell us you're working in the hotel.
Brother!
What reason is that? Tell us!
You should ask now. You're doing as if you're not interested. Brother, my going to that hotel is for this reason. I want to be there and monitor everything that is happening in that hotel. The manager, the visitors, so all of them. I want to monitor all of them.
So what is my business if you're monitoring
let me tell you, brother. You see, in that hotel, I want to be there and monitor when Uchechi will bring that man to that hotel.
Uchechi?
Yes, now.
Uchechi comes there with the man?
I said I want to know. I want to see her. She will come one day now. Yes.
You want to know whenever Uchechi will come with that idiot Ebuka?
Yes.
And you come and tell me?
Before uncle, that's my reason.
You can go.
But I told I go on.
I go on. You can go.
I can go.
Let me tell you, I support you now.
Hey, that's why you should be backing me up. When Mama say, don't go anywhere, you're not supposed to go, you're too small. You back me
How
up.
can Mama say you should not go to work in a hotel? See, you are not going to work anywhere except at the hotel.
Thank you.
And make sure that whenever you see both of them, do not hesitate. I repeat, do not hesitate to let me know. Can finish it.
Well, that's a word. Can
go.
Let me start going there.
Go,
brother.
Please, if you see her, don't hesitate to let me know.
Can you see for us now?
Please. Let me deal with Ebuka finally.
Don't worry.
I will deal with Ebuka.
I
want them all. Are you sure that this girl is telling me the truth? Because I don't trust this girl. I just hope you are right. I will finish them. God knows how much I'm going to destroy him. That relationship cannot work. Look, Uchechi must marry me. Nobody agrees. I'm a very here. Also, I'm going to have Monkey Uche, Motokano, Bascolo Maduka, Busuneka, Uno Ebere, Nawani Ubi.
What is it? What? Why are you screaming my name?
I've been calling you and you have been ignoring me. What is it?
Why are you calling me? Okay, now you have my attention. What is it?
Why are you angry? Did you fail Wayek? See. Relax your mind, I'm your friend, though.
You know what, Evelyn? Is this your bad mouth? This your unknown sin? That is why you refuse to get up. Supposing you don't talk anyhow, you will add your heights.
It's okay. See, Uchechi, I'm your friend, though. I'm on your side, See, my brother is a very stupid man. Yes, he's stupid and senseless. I want to tell you to stop following him. Don't allow him to come near you. You're a fine girl. Akugo, you don't need him. He cannot afford you.
It's obvious. That one is true. I mean, your brother cannot afford me. Look at me now. It's obvious your brother cannot afford me. But if I may ask, why do you speak ill of your brother?
My brother? Ill? No! My brother is not ill. I left him. It's not me. Me, self, I'm not even ill. Eh? See, okay, no problem. Where are you going? Are you going to Ebuka's house?
No, I'm going home.
Come now. Now. I'm not true now. See, let me tell you, I'm on your side. And now, I work in a hotel. See, as a cleaner, but yes, I work in a hotel. And in my hotel, fine girls come to my hotel. Beautiful girls, akugos like you, they come to my hotel.
It's not compulsory. I know I'm beautiful. I mean, no doubt about that. But it's not compulsory that all the fine girls will come to your hotel.
Fine girls do come, They come with their father, They come with their brothers, even uncle, You understand now? Just come to my hotel.
I don't need to come to your hotel. I don't want to come to your hotel. But come to think of it, don't you think you're too young? You're too to work in a hotel?
Uchechi, forget that I'm your friend, Forget that, You want to insult me? Are you jealous? No. It's obvious that you're jealous. That I'm working in a hotel and you're not working. You're jealous, but it's okay. Anybody can jealous, It's okay. Fine girl like you can jealous me now. So just be jealous. It's normal. I will go.
What just happened? Me, jealous of this mother. Wonder shall never end. There's nothing I will not see in this village. Like brother, like sister.
Stainless baby, oh. I don't know why. Baby a la carte. Stainless baby, oh. Mama mukesha mubi. Nekata nudigia, baby. Ele bejalo. Wapotawa.
Uju. Where's my brother?
He's sleeping. I think. Nobody chase you.
Nobody's chasing me.
You're acting strange.
I hope you're on my side to achieve one goal together.
Can you mean? Why are you looking around?
When was the last time you make out with my brother?
Jaga. Ebuka. No? Yes, you have smoke. You have smoke now. You're asking questions that you have no business asking. What kind of question is that? Ebuka, insult yourself.
I'm being serious. When was the last time you I know why I'm asking. When was the last time you
If you do good kingdom, waiting for you. But if you do bad, no more kingdom. No more kingdom. No more kingdom waiting for you.
Understand? But why?
Why asking?
No, why not? Why?
People that do bad are not granted access into kingdom. I just sang it now. Is it not Okudili I have been telling for a long time to handle Amaka and he have been having cold feet? And now we hear about a cold freezer. I put it in freezer. See, he do good. No kingdom for him.
I understand. But I want you to grant him access. You understand? See, I have a plan. And from today, you do as I said. You understand?
Oh? Ebuka.
The game is about to take off for our own good.
Ebuka. 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 Ebuka.
Now, if you're not Canadian house, the Canadian house. Canadian house.
Be careful whom you trust. Whom you trust. Never give your heart to whom you can't define. He could be an enemy within.
Jane, come to my office. Jane, where is Izzy?
Izzy? I think he's...
Call him for me, don't think. Get him immediately. Tell him I want to see him.
Okay, ma.
Immediately, please. Izzy! Izzy, what is going on? What is wrong with you? Don't tell me you're beginning to take me for granted. Do not take my simplicity and humility for stupidity. I asked you never to leave my side. Why did you leave?
Madam, I'm sincerely sorry, please.
Really? I don't know why you're stuttering. I asked you never to leave without my consent and you just did that. That's so disrespectful.
I'm really sorry. Madam, you know, you promised me leave. I thought the leave is now.
Wow, yeah, you're right. I'm sorry, okay? I totally forgot. That's true, you're supposed to go for your leave.
Yes, ma'am. My mom is missing.
But there's a problem, Izzy. I'm sorry, I might not allow you to leave now. There's a situation. Listen, it's your right. I'm not taking it away from you. I'm just pleading with you to understand me. If there's any time I ever need you around me, Izzy, it's now. I need you. I don't want you to stay an inch away from me. Yes, you will go, you will see your mother, but not right now. I'll fund the trip, don't worry. I'll give you everything you want. Money, anything. But I need you. My problem is overwhelming me. Okay? There's this thing that is eating food on my mind. I am losing concentration. Things are not really working. I don't... Izzy, I'm confused. But in a nutshell, I want you around me. That's the truth, please.
Madam, what is this problem all about?
Okay, sit. I'll tell you. Sit down. There's okay.
Babe, how are you?
I'm doing fine, my darling.
Anyway, I saw you looking moody earlier today. Our madam with her wahala, right?
Yes. I've been thinking.
Babe, yes. You have to endure, okay? You have to endure. I understand the whole thing. She needs you now. I wonder what she will do if you're not there.
My darling.
Yeah.
My mother is my major concern here. You understand? I wish you would understand the situation on ground.
See, I understand, okay? But she's your mother. You can still convince her. Talk to her. Make her understand. Yes.
No problem, my darling. I will do as you said. Okay?
It's okay. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Smiling face.
See, I miss you. Today is weekend. We need to have time for ourselves.
Let me help you and fix it.
You're showing how romantic you are.
After now, you say I'm not romantic.
Please go.
Come here. I will first.
What are you doing? See, I've missed you anyway.
Hey, UJ baby.
Yes.
UJ Olympi.
That's me.
Now I believe that you're UJ Olympi.
What's up?
You're too much.
I know.
But what happened? I was sleeping, all of a sudden you jumped on me and I was joking. What happened?
Because I have missed you.
It's you too.
Me forget that sometimes I pretend, and I want to come back to me, and I have to.
What were you pretending?
I think I'm better get
Because,
better.
you know, I know when you started fighting, start fighting, I know you need something. Whenever you fight me, I know you need something.
And you finally have it
You
now.
can pretend.
You don't pretend what are you?
Bro, and now you start touching me again. I don't want it again.
But
Please.
I still want.
After 3 rounds. After 3 rounds.
After how many
You want to kill
days
me?
of conjugal?
I'm not Kozubueba.
Wait.
No. This is not my generation.
Hey, you are sure it will work, right?
It will work now. It will work.
Ebuka, it will work,
Yes,
right?
It will work. See, what you do next is...
You're a very foolish boy.
It will work. A new dawn has come. Amaka, with all your money, you can't withstand me and my brother. You can't withstand me and my brother.
Yes, Izzy. Have a seat. Izzy.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not just a driver to me. You're like a brother, a God sent to me. I appreciate everything you've been doing, everything you're doing to make me happy and more comfortable. Don't see it that I'm inconsiderate or I lack understanding. No. The truth is, I'm really going through a lot right now. I'm not in my best moment. Things took a different turn in my life. Fear has gripped my heart. I'm confused. I need you by my side, Izzy. I don't know why I keep seeing you in my dreams. Jokes apart, Izzy, I've seen you save me severally in my dreams. And when I wake up, I ask God why. I know you are a nice person. I know you have a good heart. I just want you to see me as your elder sister. I don't know, but things are really not okay with me. My work, my peace of mind, my family, everything. I'm so confused right now. I need all the physical and emotional assistance I can get. Please, let's fight this battle together. I sincerely do not know who wants me dead. I don't know why I keep having these same dreams. I don't know why fear has gripped me. But I know I need someone like you by my side. I need you to start seeing me as your elder sister, not your boss. Please.
I have heard you. I will serve you. And I promise you, no harm will come your way.
Thank you so much for your immense support and understanding. I would also like to let you know that I increased your salary to 250,000 naira.
Thank you so much.
You do. You are a good man. Okay?
Thank you so much. My mother will be happy.
It's okay. So, I think it's high time we left. So, get my bag and my sandals. Let's go. Oh God, my head aches. I need water too.
Okay.
Good.
I'm in your hands, oh God. Never leave me. Never leave me. Oh, I'm in your hands, oh God. Shoot me in your hands.
Madam, good morning.
How are you?
Madam, I for say I fine, but as the matter be now, if I say I fine, may thunder fire me, madam.
So what's the problem?
Madam, you know my wife Bianca now?
Yes, has she put to bed?
Now the matter be this now.
So what is it?
Madam, ordinary pikin, where other women they born 2 minutes they don't born them. Now they take my wife 3 days. If she come born twins,
You don't mean it.
Madam, I mean everything why they talk here.
So what is the problem?
Hey, madam, the problem here be say now. Doctor call me for night. Tell me say, no operation they go tell you do am.
Okay, it's fine. They should go on.
Madam, if not to go on, they for don't go on since now.
So what exactly is the problem?
Now you are coming. Madam, the doctor called me and said that the money for the operation is 250,000 naira.
That's all.
Madam, that's all. As I tell like this now, I be like person will get 700 naira from my account.
I'll credit you 300,000 naira so they can have extra 50,000 after spending 250 at the hospital.
Madam, not only me and you there, you get who you the follow talk. Now me and you.
I will give you 300,000 naira. I have your account details.
Me? Hey! Madam. If God no bless you, may thunder fire me. As my papa and mama die, if God no bless you, I go follow them. 6 feet down.
You're so hilarious. It's okay. You can go back to your post.
Madam, I don't go anywhere. I go there here. In fact, madam, I go lie down for you.
No, please don't do that. I'm not God. Stand, please. It's okay.
Hey.
It's okay. You can go.
Madam, you be better person, you know.
It's okay.
Madam, na juice be this.
It's water.
We dey drink this thing for a solo uku. That time when my papa and I go in one village in Dubai.
You wanna have it?
Yes, madam.
You can have it.
Hey. Madam. I go finish am.
It's fine. Go.
I should go with it. Okay.
A toast
To life.
to the good life. It's not just life. Life that makes sense.
To a wonderful life.
Apple.
Bojas.
I like it.
Bokeripo.
Chai! Nanakana. Look at the Joel pigs. This God is great. This God is a great God.
God? You won't try. He's a wonderful God.
Now I know why they said behind every successful man there is a woman.
Eku, baby, you're right.
You
You are right.
Okay. Now you know. Because as far as I'm concerned right now, you are my hero. Oh, Queen!
You can say that again.
Baby, oh,
You
baby.
can say that again.
Baby, oh,
See,
baby.
I have come to possess my possession. This is my father's house.
Welcome.
My inheritance.
That's it.
I'm the owner. No one can chance me
Oh, yeah,
again.
Bob. They have not bettered the person that will come and stand in your way. Now that you have woken up.
They won't try.
Now that you have woken up. Like ag. You know, that's so good.
Bunyago.
Eh.
You get it.
Welcome to the good. Let's toast again. This time to living in paradise.
And for more strength.
That's right.
More power.
Because you need it.
More energy to possess my possession.
Makandilo.
More energy to fight my
That's
enemies. Onye Zizu.
What can she again?
Only pig.
My hero. Come on, my dear.
Would you only pig?
What's up?
Oh, why?
Bye.
It's okay, baby.
How can it be
Everything will
okay?
be fine, okay?
Everything won't be fine. Tochi was a soul sister. She's my lawyer, my everything. Look at the way she died. God, why am I losing the people I love? What have I done to deserve this?
Baby, it's okay.
Oh, God.
Everything will be okay, okay?
Sister, it's okay, please. You need to stop crying, please. Please. Don't tell me you don't have faith anymore in God. God knows everything. Please.
Not now. God, why me? Why me, God?
Baby, it's okay. Everything will be fine, okay? It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, God. Death is inevitable, but not...
It's okay. Okay?
Alright.
I'm in your hands, oh God. Never leave me.
Ndoka, what did I do to deserve all this? Why don't you leave me alone? I have done everything humanly possible for you to stop pestering me, but you have refused. My boyfriend even beat you black and blue for you to stay away from me.
No. That part of beating black and blue is what you must remove from this discussion because you are not there. Were you there?
I was there.
Oh, leave that in. I destroyed him.
It's not true.
I nearly killed him. I nearly finished him. But because I don't want to be a murderer, that's why I did not kill him. And let me tell you, just as the suya is used, and then the newspaper will be wrapped with suya, that's why I want to wrap myself.
Stop rapping me, don't rap me. Rapping will kill you, leave me alone.
There is nothing you can do about this. So. My love for you is 100%.
I don't love you.
I am giving you 50%.
I don't love you.
Take 50 and give the remaining 50 from me.
Look at my boyfriend. See, okay now. Okay, look at him. This is the kind of man I'm talking about. Don't be a full mado dekagi. A full, don't go and hustle. Don't go and make money. Be chasing me all around in this village. Babe.
Hey, okay, what are you doing with my babe? What are you doing with my babe?
Don't mind
This
him.
is a road now. Anybody can be passing. If she's going this way, I'm going that way. Just like that. Ha! Okonkwo.
Ndoka.
My in-laws, just be there. Now we can be talking. I can hear you, sir.
Ndoka.
One.
What are you with my babe? What are you doing with my babe? Ndoka, I'm asking you.
I am answering you. You can be there and I'm here. I'm answering you.
See, this time is not the time I used to fight you to leave my girl alone. Ndoka, if I see you anywhere close to Chacha again, Ndoka, if I see you anywhere close to Chacha again, I'll put you where you belong. If you're not working, gonna be gonna choose an now. No, they're gonna see. Onto which level?
Okay, I've heard what you said.
Ndoka,
there's no problem.
don't side you.
Don't go and make money. They go do okay, what can they be? Baby. Baby. Go and make money. Go and hustle. Nga, take.
Oyari! What do you do in this village that made you to have a car? Oyari! Neighbors, come around!
Mercy is the Father. Please, I want you to do everything as we discussed on the phone. Hmm?
Right.
I don't want any error. These documents are very important to me. No mistakes.
Trust me. I'm a barrister. I know what to do.
It's okay. I'll see you.
Yeah, okay, man.
Mama, if you really accepted whatever Obianuju told you, then you are very gullible. Mama, if you accepted whatever Obianuju told you, then you are just I can't believe you can accept that kind of nonsense.
No, now, Ndoka. How do you think I will accept? I did not accept now. Eh? I did not. Ndoka, I'm of the opinion that Amaka gifted that car to Uju's husband. Yes. And Uju, maybe the husband allowed Uju to be riding on the car. And Uju is now parading herself as the car owner of the car. You know, I know that she's so gullible. She must have been telling people that that car belongs to her. But I don't believe her.
Brother, do you know that Sister Uju said that the car is one of her husband's car? Ofunkporo n'ime nke nyere di ya.
Uju said that the car is one out of her husband's cars. Then there is a problem. There is war, Mama. Let me tell you, Mama. I saw Ebuka driving a car, a different car altogether. I saw the husband, a keke driver, ordinary keke man, driving car. The same car that belongs to Amaka is seen again. Now, people are telling me that Obianuju was seen again driving a car that belongs to Amaka. It can only mean that these people have decided, connived, and taken things that belong to Amaka, just as she always wanted to do. They have taken over Amaka's property. And if they did that, Mama, this is war. War!
Nduka, how do you mean?
Mama, the thing is very glaring. It is very glaring that my sister, Obianuju, is a girl who always wants to live her life in so much luxury without working for it. She wants everything to be given to her on a platter of gold. Yes, she will put no effort to make sure that those things come to pass. So it is obvious that she must have deceived her husband with her evil intention to take over the things that belongs to Amaka. And let me tell you, if Amaka ever gets angry with that situation at any time, there is going to be a war that is going to consume her and you people.
Mama, do you notice anything? Did you notice anything? Hey, Mama, this is the first time that Brother Ndoka here is making good point. The first time he's raising small point. Hey!
It's true, my daughter. Is it not true, Ndoka?
Look at this toothpick!
It's the only reasonable and sensible comment you have ever made in this house.
Mama, where?
Ikerembo. Huh? Condensed milk.
Bruh.
Who told you to talk when I'm talking?
Mama, tell brother. If I open my mouth here.
Don't talk, Ndoka. Don't insult my daughter. This is my daughter that will take me to US, London, and Germany, even France. But it's not tomorrow now when the husband-to-be will come here and pack his luxurious vehicle and be giving you tickets to all these Western countries. You will not remember insulting her or calling her names. Be careful.
Yes,
please don't insult my daughter. My queen, don't mind your brother, okay?
Let me tell you something. Any day, any time that you hear me breathe, you will zip up this your stupid mouth.
No.
Any day you hear me talk, and you open your mouth to talk again,
brother Ekusina.
Yes.
Don't say it again. Is it because I'm keeping quiet? It's because of mama that I'm showing small respect to you. Yes. If not mama, if you regret your life. If you try it again, I'll say that you're senseless. You're senseless.
If you try it, I will zip your own for you. Since you don't want to respect the fact that this my queen is my queen in this house.
Yes.
I will zip your own. Nonsense. She's my queen. Stupid boy.
Mama, you go cigar, but
Brother, stop it.
Wait. Ndoka, look at you and look at your age. Are you not grown up enough to make me happy? Look at you. Your mates are out there bringing bags of rice for their mother, 2 bags of yam, and bringing giant provisions in the Nukwa, those big ones. Oporoko, those long ones that is taller than you. And you are here making me to be talking. Follow you no chechi. Nodo. So yeah. You won't think of anything good for yourself, even to go to city to hustle. No. My problem is, how can I still chechi today? How can I follow chechi? Nodo. Kala mbi. Are you a he-goat? He's better in the city, looking for something better. But he's here following no chechi up and down.
Mama,
again,
let me tell you, I am not going to any city at any time. I am in my father's house, taking care of my father's property.
Caretaker.
Yes!
No, she is taking her father's property. She will be bearing Ndoku Chechi.
Mama, let me tell you, leave that thing you are saying. If you are as rich as you are advising me, you would not be here. You would have not married my father. At least I would have been your next of kin, but you are so poor. Poorer than my...
Caretaker! Come and take!
Look, if you touch my daughter again, I will break your head. Nonsense!
Windon, you said that you have done gateman work in the city before, right?
Madam, now my work be that. I sabi the work well. I sabi am.
Come close. Come to me. What is that on your cap? Remove it. Is that him? Go! Step back! Detergent, step back. You sabi the work. Madam, I sabi the work. You sabi the work and you let that girl enter into my house.
Madam, she said she'd be your Oga sister.
Yes, she said. Did you have sense enough to have come inside and reconfirm if she's indeed who she said she is? Okay, that's the level of foolishness you have now. Window.
Madam, she not be Oga sister.
Yes. Ask me again. No, this is question and answer. You and me. You ask me, I answer you. I ask you, you answer me. Yes, we're met. Stupidity.
Madam, no verse. You no go happen again.